Hello and welcome to the Indicator Warehouse. In today's video, I'm going to be covering the new LogiCounter that we're offering here at Indicator Warehouse. So what is the LogiCounter? The LogiCounter are these two brackets that we see right here. So what this tells us is that price needs to close above 774.10 in order to make a new bar in an upward direction. And what it's telling us down here is at 771.70, if the bar closes below that, that's what we need in order to make a bar in the downward direction. One thing that I also need to mention is that the LogiCounter works with non-time-based bars. It does not work with tick charts, and it does not work with time-based charts such as a 1, 3, or 5-minute chart. Now the big advantage to having the LogiCounter in place is it eliminates us as traders having to go back with a crosshair and actually measure how far the bar needs to go. So we can stay focused here right on the hard right edge of our chart. Now the other thing that the LogiCounter can do for us is, in this case, I'm using the Eagle Trend Trader. And what I'm waiting for is, I'm waiting for a sell warning dot like you see here. I'm waiting for a short entry triangle like you see here. And then I'm waiting for the hash mark. Well, with the Eagle Trend Trader, what happens is we get a warning, we get an entry triangle, but we don't get a hash mark until the entry bar has actually closed. So what I like to do is I like to try to anticipate the order, and the LogiCounter helps me do that. Let me show you how it does that. Okay, now that we see that we have our warning dot, we also see that we have our short entry triangle, LogiCounter is telling me that this bar should close at 771.10. Well, I know that since I have my triangle in place, I can anticipate a hash mark right here at 771. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to set my prices here, 771. I'm going to place my stop right here. And Risk Manager is telling me that I can go ahead and I can enter this trade with 3 contracts. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to place my order. And now we'll see what happens. So you can see how the LogiCounter helped me anticipate where to enter that trade. And rather than fumble back and forth between bars to see where to get into this trade, LogiCounter told me right here on the hard right edge of this trade. All right, I'm going to go ahead and I took myself out of this trade right there. And let me go ahead and let me show you how it works on range bars. And this is how the LogiCounter works with just plain range bars. Same concept. We need to go below 768.70 in order to make a bar to the downside. We need to rise above 769.10, and there you have it. Okay, well, I hope you found this video to be informative and helpful. If you have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to contact any of the team members here at indicatorwarehouse.com, or you can email me personally at ray@realityfuturestrading.com. Thanks and have a great day.